Hi everyone, this is E, and I'm going to be doing my first ever real Boxycharm unboxing. I tried one before, it didn't come out very well. I'm hoping this one will be better. Full disclosure, I did already try to do this. I have a new phone and I kind of messed up. I had thought I was pausing a couple of times and I actually stopped recording. So this is the second time I have seen things. However, that will make it easier for you because I've already done a couple of swatches. So here is the Boxycharm. And I have not, by the way, watched any unboxings yet. So I was eager to get this so I could tape it. And then I can watch the other unboxings that I like to watch. For those of you who do not know, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box. It comes once a month. Its price, if you get it a month at a time, is $21. If you get it for 3 months, it's a little bit less. If you get it for either 6 months or a year, it will go down to $19. So you have to decide, maybe you want to get a couple of boxes to see if you like it. And then if you like it, you can buy it for a longer time period, which will cost you less in the long run. Anyway, every month, Boxycharm has a card. This time it was a little bit different, but it's still a card. There are coupon codes on the back of the card. I don't give those out because those are a gift to those people who have purchased the box, and I don't think that it's really fair to the manufacturers to just be going out and giving those numbers away. But I will open this. This year, let's try that again. This month's theme is eye candy, which led me to believe it would be mostly eyes. And so I'm going to, again, take everything out in order, but this time I won't have to do any pausing because I've already got swatches. So let's go ahead. Inside, the very first thing that we get is the Tartist Pro Glow liquid highlighter. And the color that I got was Exposed. So I'm going to open that up. I don't know if I mentioned to you, but the camera I'm using is my new phone. It is a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I'm really enjoying it. I've had to get my own phone for the first time in a very long time. So my rationale was that I had saved money for all those years. That's my story. I'm sticking with it. Anyway, so here is Exposed. And it is pretty much the color that you are seeing here on the squeezy tube. And I'll show you what it looks like on my hand. It's really going to be, that's another swatch over there. It's really too golden for it's a lovely highlight, but it's too golden for my skin, which, as you can see, is fairly pale. So I don't know that I'll be able to use it, but I do have friends that would like it and are just a little darker than me, and it will probably look beautiful on them. The manufacturer's suggested retail price for this is $29. The next item in here is a ColourPop palette, which I'm kind of happy to get. I've never had a ColourPop palette. It's semi-precious, which I pretty much thought was going to mean that it was going to be jewel tones and maybe pretty sparkly, and I was right. And I'm 61, and that's kind of getting to be maybe a bit much for me, but there are some colors in here that I think are really pretty, like this one. And you know what? Maybe if I were just to use this palette as an accent, maybe I could pull it off. Because it's not glittery. I hate glitter. but it is very shiny. They're very pretty, and I'm hoping that I can. Think good thoughts, guys. Because it's so important that eyeshadows look pretty on me. So the next thing that we have is Dr. Brandt's Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. Again, I am sorry about the light. Look, this is amateur video at its best. I'm brand new to doing these, and I don't have any setup whatsoever. The light from this side is coming from my iPhone's light, and the light from the other side is just coming from a table lamp. So there you go. Anyway, Dr. Brandt makes great products. Unfortunately, I believe that they are not cruelty-free. And if that matters to you, then that you should know that. And they're very expensive. I don't know that I need my pores vacuumed anyway, because I have dry skin, and there's really no benefit to dry skin except for your pores don't generally get clogged. But I know people who probably would love this. The suggested retail price on this is $47. And I believe it, because Dr. Brandt is an expensive brand. It just is. So we'll put that aside. And the next thing we're going to take out is the Brow Gal. This is let's see if I can get that to focus. Maybe if I don't have the light on it. There you go. The Brow Gal makes really nice powders for your brows, and they have a set that's a powder and a wax. This is Instant Tinted Eyebrow Gel. Actually, it's called Insta-Tint. Tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. This retails for $22, and I'm going to go out on a limb and say, yeah, it's brown. It's brown hair, which will be fine. My hair is lavender, but my brows are not, so that'll be okay. And the last thing in here is, I'm not sure if it's a Des or a Dessa, but it's a high-definition liquid lipstick. And it's a very pretty color. And if I am correct, it is not going to dry down to a completely matte, completely dry out your lips, and I still don't understand why that's something we're doing to ourselves. Color on my lips, but it is a really pretty color. It may not look it right there, but it's actually a little darker when I swatched it. And I think that's a color that's going to look pretty good on my lips. So here is that swatch again. As you can see now, I did that swatch about 5 minutes ago. That is clearly not matte, which makes me very happy, because liquid lipsticks seem to generally be matte. So that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm. That's 5 beautiful products, some which will be good for me and some won't, but that's okay. Not everything fits everybody. Oh, yeah, of course. How can I forget this? This is just such a beautiful palette. So there you go, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that. I have no relationship with Boxycharm other than the fact that I am a customer. I have no coupon or discount code. I have no affiliate code. I have a palette that keeps wanting to close, though. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. You all have a great day. If I can ever stop it. First I couldn't keep it going. Now I can't stop it.